Litong-lito ka na ba sa i3, i5, i7, Ryzen at kung ano-ano pa? Ano nga ba ang processor or CPU na iyong laptop? So tara, let's get started. Sabi nga natin sa previous videos natin, ang CPU or yung processor, Central Processing Unit, this is the mind or yung pinakautak ng ating mga laptops or ating PC. So meron tayo iba-ibang processor which is the Intel, AMD, and Apple Silicon. So internal processors ay common for Windows laptop. Meanwhile, AMD processors, yung Ryzen na makikita natin, AMD Ryzen, this is more on a powerful and a budget friendly option. Meanwhile, Apple Silicon more on Mac OS users or sa mga MacBooks natin. So let's discuss every processor. So Intel Core i3, more on for basic tasks yung ginagamitan nito, email, browsing, MS Office, MS Word. So yan. And Intel Core i5 more on work, school, and mga casual games siguro or light video editing. Intel Core i7 more on sa gamers, streamers, video editors. So itong gamit ko is Intel Core i7. And lastly, Intel Core i9, ito na ginagamit na pangmalakasan talaga. More on sa mga professionals yung gumagamit ito and for hardcore gaming. So huwag kayong malilito if nakabasa nyo naman is Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, Ryzen 9. So, same goes siya with Intel Core i3, i5, i7, and i9. So, same lang sila. So, all in all, wag kayo malilito kasi iba-iba yung manufacturer nila pero isa lang yung purpose ng mga processors nito. 'Di ba? So, kapag i3, i5, it is on the Intel. Meanwhile, kapag Ryzen naman, AMD Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, Ryzen 9. So, if you want more of these, make sure to follow, comment, and react.